Well, I really like 1940s and vintage, and it really interests me, like all that history and stuff. Also, it's to do with the museum, and I really like the museum. I used to go a lot when I was younger, so you know, it's nice.
I'm really into history, especially the local area, finding out what happened around where I now live. And I like food, and I like eating. And yeah, it's always nice to visit the museum with family. It's nice, one of the big attractions of Lancaster.
I like food and I like history. Also, I thought I might see a couple of people that I knew, and I thought it would be nice if we all did it together. Like, I know all of them that have done it. I've seen lots of them in things that have been happening at the Duke's before, so I thought it would be nice.
Yeah.
It's like a cake.
It's got a little dense sponge.
It's like a Jaffa cake.
I feel like you could use
Yeah,
this
this is
for shortcake.
This is like crunchy.
And it looks like biscuits you get in packets from Sainsbury's.
Or she looks like the ones you get up at Grasmere.
So we think this one's the modern day one, and this one's the 1942 one.
Okay, yeah, you're completely right. What's wrong with the 1942 one? Why do you think
It's not what was wrong, it was what was different.
what was different?
Yeah.
It's spongy and very spicy.
The icing's a bit different as well.
It's kind of
tasty.
stodgy.
Yeah.
Thank you, Megan.
Yeah, like not even that
I'm
way.
trying to work out which one.
It's got a lot of air
But
in
you're
it.
all-
It feels just
Really, it tastes damp.
Yeah.
This one tastes
That one
richer.
feels a bit and damper.
It's good though.
Damper.
Yeah.
Okay, so who thinks that this is the 1942?
Yes.
Is that everybody apart from Megan?
I don't think it is.
All of you think that one's 1942?
Apart from Primrose.
I don't think it is.
Okay.
This one looks like a big scone.
Oh,
Yeah.
no,
Like
it does.
Like if a scone was on steroids.
I
It
like
does take.
I'm not sure if I like carrot cake.
I don't have any sugar in at
It's
all.
got walnuts on top of it.
It's not bad.
I'm just saying, I think
Oh my
there
God,
should be
it's so
another
sweet.
flavour. Because
Yeah.
Oh,
after
blimey,
you
it
get
is,
past
isn't
the
it?
carrot, it's like, oh,
It's like bread.
flour.
It's like bread.
Flour,
It
flour,
tastes
flour.
like bread. Which one is the 1942 cake?
What is it, this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
1942?
What made you come to that?
Why do you like carrot cake?
This has ice in it, it tastes much sweeter.
Sweeter?
There's raisins in it.
It's like a cheese scone.
Right. The 1942 one tastes like a cheese scone.
Cheese stone with
It
raisins.
looks like a cheese scone. That one's quite stodgy. Like there's more.
Yeah,
There's more
yeah.
yeast and flour in it.
It looks like focaccia.
Oh.
It does a little bit.
Ugh.
Not a fan? Do you like them, Martha? Gabriel's not keen on
Yeah, nice.
It's a
nicer.
bit like
smaller.
stodgy.
If you added more salt and told me that it wasn't potato cake,
yeah,
I'd eat this.
This tastes saltier.
it tastes
The
more
thinner
like
one.
Yeah.
like an actual like meal.
Which one do we think is the 1942 one?
The big
Someone
one.
hold up the.
This one.
Uh-huh. Why is that?
It's bigger because it's
Yeah.
good.
It's good.
To be honest, I think this is the kind of thing you'd have to sort of get used to. I think if you've had it quite a few times, then it would be the kind of thing that you kind of just eat.
What are you smelling?
Chocolate.
Cocoa powder.
Damp chocolate.
Yeah, it does smell a bit damp. I don't know if that makes sense, but it does.
Do you know what it smells like when you go in like a wet cave?
It doesn't. Wet cave. It's like.
But like warm and Christmassy.
Yeah,
wet cave.
warm wet cave.
Warm,
That-
Christmassy, wet cave.
It tastes like what's
I
it
don't
called?
think there is milk,
Ovaltine.
mate. I
But
don't think
if
there
you
is.
made it
What
like
is it?
like made
How
it
are you guys all
so
so
much
smart?
worse.
It smells nice, but it doesn't taste very nice.
It smells like my cat's like
Right.
pouches.
Yeah, go on.
It
this
smells.
is-
No,
this
no, no.
is the
It
smell.
smells
No, my
like
cat
my
doesn't.
cat Marmite. Sick.
What do you think has been the most fun part about this project?
Probably the eating. Like, you know, but I think it's nice to just interact with people and like talk about the 1940s and the history and learn about it.
I feel like we're going to have 3 answers that say the food, but I'm going to say the food. Also just the planning, just chatting with other people, the rodents.
Well, I like eating food, so yes, that has been fun, especially the chocolate cake. But also other things that are fun is discussing our opinions about food and trying to decipher which ones are modern day and not modern day.